Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I'm Rebecca, and today we're going to make a top stitch clear bag. Recently I was reminded in one of my files that I didn't have the correct directions in with the top zip clear bag. So we're going to make one real quick so I can make some new directions for that. So the supplies that you'll need is a zipper longer than your project, a couple of inches. I'm doing a 5x7 bag, so I have a zipper 8 inches or more. I have my 2 pieces of vinyl. They're transparent, cut at 6x8. So when I make bags, I always cut an inch longer on each side. And you just need your scissors. And in my hoop, I have some wash away stabilizer or WSS stabilizer. That way it won't leave any fuzzies or any remnants of stabilizer when we take it out. So the first step on the machine is a placement step. So I'm going to run that and I will show you what that looks like. Okay, so the placement stitch is on there. Now we're going to take our zipper and we're going to line up our center zipper teeth with this center line right here. Secure it with tape and run the next step, which will secure the zipper onto the stabilizer. Okay, the zipper is secured on. Now what you want to do is take your vinyl and line it up to where the zipper is. It's kind of butted up there, and run the next stitch. It's going to be kind of a decorative stitch, and it's just going to help keep like sand or stuff out of the zipper area. It's just added stitching. Anyways, it's cute. When I stitch on TPU or this clear vinyl, I like to slow my machine way down, and I also like to warm this up just a little bit so it helps the needle puncture pretty well without leaving snarls or tangles. So I'm going to go warm this up just for maybe 15 seconds in front of my little portable heater I have. And then I'm going to run that stitch. I will be right back. Okay, that stitching is all done. Now the next step on the machine is going to just run a stitch to secure this onto the stabilizer. And you don't have to run it if you don't want to, but it's part of the design. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done. It's just going to secure this on. Okay, so now that it's secure, just take your back piece, and after you open your zipper, you want to take that back piece and lay it over the entire design. Making sure all the seams and everything are covered. And then you run that last stitch, and then we're all done. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, now that is finished, you're going to remove your stabilizer, trim all around it, and then, like I said, this stuff needs to be warmed up to turn sometimes. So warm it up and turn it through the zipper, and you'll have a bag. I'm going to do that now, and I will show you what that looks like in just a second. I do want to show you what just happened real quick, because, you know, I usually warm up my vinyl. I didn't on this top piece because I was in a hurry, and this is what happens sometimes when you're in a hurry and don't take precautions when using this kind of vinyl. Look how fuzzy it is. Anyways, I wasn't paying attention. I should have warmed up my vinyl and made sure my machine was slow. But I'm gonna still use this bag for the intended purpose of this video. So, like I said, now we're just going to clean up the stabilizer and turn through the zipper. I'll be right back. I went ahead and made another bag because of all the little fuzzies this made. See, isn't it cute? I kind of like them. Anyways, same stuff. Clear vinyl. Back is much better. So if you take your time with these bags that use the clear stuff, you will have success. If you go fast, and because really they are just a real quick bag, you might have some problems if you go too fast. Just kind of keep an eye on your machine if it sounds weird or looks weird. I don't know. I just warm up the vinyl. It helps. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. Anyways, I'm going to clean this bag up, but you can see it is a cute bag when it's all done, and it's just only a few steps. So I love the top zip bags because of that. You don't have to worry about the little extra pieces on top. But anyways, thanks for watching.